Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how I color my hair using Creme of Nature products. This is actually my first time using their permanent color in Intense Black. I will be showing you how I color this lace closure here along with these virgin bundles. They're gorgeous, aren't they? So if you want to see how I do that, please keep watching. Alright guys, so before you get started, you definitely want to make sure that you have some gloves. So here you see me putting on my gloves, getting ready to get started here. Alright, so you want to mix in the Creme of Nature hair color with the developer here. So first I'm going to start off with my closure, only because my closure is a little bit lighter than the bundles and I definitely want my closure to be dark. So I'm going to take the cap off here and I'm just going to apply this to the hair. Then I'm going to take my closure. I have this Ziploc bag here. I'm going to put it in here. Then I'm going to work my way down and move on through the rest of my bundles. Go ahead and wrap this one in the foil, just like so. Let that work. Now what I love about the Creme of Nature permanent color is that it comes with this Argan Oil Treatment and this intense conditioning treatment, which you guys saw at the beginning. I already have this, but this right here is just bomb. I can't wait to see how the hair turns out after applying this Argan Oil Treatment. Now I'm going to apply the intense conditioning treatment and I'm going to leave that on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright guys, so this is the results of the color. Not as dark as I would like it, but it'll do for now. This is the lace closure and this is the hair. It's definitely darker. I'm loving the shine that the argan oil has given the hair and it smells bomb. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this quick little tutorial and you guys be blessed.